Welcome to SRE Statconsultancy Services, where we empower you with the knowledge to master statistics and apply it in the real world. Whether you're a student, researcher, or professional, this is your one-stop channel for all things statistics. Today, we're diving into how you can leverage statistics to stay ahead in 2024, from mastering essential tools to applying statistics in cutting-edge fields like AI and data science. Let's get started. Statistics is the backbone of AI and machine learning. But what does that mean for you? Whether you're building models or interpreting data, a strong grasp of statistics will elevate your work. Let's explore how statistical methods like regression, clustering, and hypothesis testing are essential to creating accurate and reliable AI models. Imagine building a healthcare model that predicts patient outcomes or an e-commerce recommendation system that boosts sales. These are not just buzzwords, they're real-world applications driven by statistical principles. Stay tuned, as we'll break down how you can use these methods in your projects. Next, let's talk about the tools of the trade. Whether you're working on academic research or driving business decisions, mastering R and Python is a game changer. R is powerful for statistical analysis and visualization, while Python excels in its flexibility and integration with machine learning libraries like TensorFlow and scikit-learn. In this section, we'll walk you through how to set up your environment, run your first analysis, and create stunning visualizations. We'll also cover how these tools complement each other, enabling you to handle data like a pro. Numbers tell a story, but it's how you visualize them that makes all the difference. In today's data-driven world, the ability to create clear and compelling visualizations can set you apart. Tools like Tableau and Power BI make it easier than ever to turn raw data into actionable insights. We'll guide you through creating your own dashboards, selecting the right charts, and using color effectively to highlight key insights. By the end of this section, you'll be able to present your data in a way that's both informative and visually appealing. Learning on the go. Our YouTube Shorts series is perfect for quick tips and tricks. From understanding p-values to mastering confidence intervals, these bite-sized lessons are designed to fit into your busy schedule. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch these quick lessons. They're a great way to keep your statistical knowledge sharp, even on the busiest days. Now let's take a look at how statistics are applied in the real world. From predicting patient outcomes in healthcare to optimizing production processes in engineering, statistics is the driving force behind many groundbreaking innovations. We'll walk you through specific case studies, highlighting the statistical methods used and the results achieved. These examples will show you how to apply what you've learned to make a tangible impact in your own field. Ready to take your statistical skills to the next level? Subscribe to SRE Statconsultancy Services and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Whether you're here for in-depth tutorials or quick tips, we're here to help you master statistics and apply it in the real world. Let's unlock the power of data together. Check out our related videos for more in-depth knowledge and follow us on social media for daily tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.